And when you look at it, the ripples of change become what? Waves. Waves of destruction. You don't think so? Let's go back. Go back, folks. Blackberry. How many of y'all had one? How many of y'all loved them? I mean, I'll never forget, I was on an airplane. 3 rows up, I saw my first Apple phone. This guy's sitting there going, I'm like going, where's it going? I mean, I get up from my seat, I tap the sucker on the shoulder. Where is it going, okay? What is this? He says, it's my new Apple phone. I said, but what? He says, it's a screen. It's still there. I said, yeah, I got to have one of these. I bought one instantly. Hated it. Despised my Apple phone. Why did I hate it? What? Different, but what couldn't I do? No, I couldn't type. I mean, I love my keys. You took away my keys, okay? I got to have the keys. I'm misspelling the world out there, but I love this, okay? This is cool. So what did I do? Just what you said. I changed.